Hi guys, so today I have a super quick after dark clean with me. I honestly forgot I recorded this video and it's been sitting in my little library and I'm like, oh yeah, I totally have to upload this. So I literally was recording this after I had been sick, and so I was disinfecting and kind of just getting things back in order for not having done anything for a good week. So I started with some laundry because I was way overdue on doing that and I had a bunch of loads to do. And then I just tackled the living room and some dishes and just kind of get my life back in order. I wasn't feeling 100%, but I needed to do something. So this is just a super quick after dark clean with me.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
You guys might also notice some of the decor is different in this video versus some of my other videos. Like I said, I pre-recorded this video in early January, so a lot has changed in my apartment since then. This was about 3 weeks after we had moved in, so we've been in now for about 2 months. So we've definitely changed some stuff, but if you're wondering why, that is why.
Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes.
If you guys are new to my channel, I just want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Alyssa and I am 22 years old. I live in this apartment with my older brother. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We also have our 2 cats with us and our dog, which kind of lives back and forth between us and our mom. I work full-time as a nanny and I also work part-time at a skating rink. I make cleaning and organization videos here on this channel, so if you guys are interested in that and you enjoy this video, please subscribe and also hit that like button. Like I said, if you really enjoy this video, it definitely helps my channel out and lets me know what kind of videos you guys like.
Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lack and everlasting ego.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. Yeah. Push you back, hold you close. feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet. I was looking for a remedy, now I don't know who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy, now I don't know who's in front of me. Yeah. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone, never know when you home. I get unstable, I get unstable, I push you back, I hold you close. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone, never know when you home. I get unstable, push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone, never know when you home. I get unstable,
And that's going to be it for the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and like I said, if you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe. I will have another cleaning video. It's a good one. It's a whole house clean with me. So if you guys want to see that, that will be coming up later this week. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.